I'd been eyeing those Cozey sofa ads for months. The promise of a comfy modular couch delivered in boxes was so tempting. After our old, lumpy sofa finally bit the dust, I took the plunge and ordered a Cozey sectional. Here's my experience. The good. Super comfortable. Cozey couches are seriously cozy, pun intended. The cushions are the perfect blend of firm and plush. They give support without feeling stiff. I spend way too much time lounging on this thing now. Easy assembly. I was worried about putting the sofa together, but it was shockingly straightforward. The boxes were manageable, the pieces clicked together easily, and the instructions were clear. Kid-friendly. My kids basically live on this couch, and it's holding up great. The fabric is surprisingly stain-resistant, and the removable covers make cleaning a breeze. The not-so-good back cushions can shift. The back cushions aren't attached, so they tend to slide around a bit, especially if you're an active sitter like me. It's a minor annoyance, but worth mentioning. Limited color options. If you're into bold patterns or bright colors, you won't find them at Cozey. Their focus is on neutral, timeless shades. Delivery delays. Shipping wasn't as quick as I'd hoped. It took a few weeks longer than initially estimated, though Cozey's customer service team kept me updated throughout the process. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.